Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us face while cleaning up our computers. Imagine this. You're in Finder, eagerly deleting old folders from application support to free up space. You empty the trash, only to realize you forgot to jot down the names of some of those folders. Now, how do you find out what they were? It's a classic problem moment we've all experienced at some point. Moving on to the solution, by utilizing a neat trick, you can unravel the mystery of those deleted folders. Here's the solution. You can leverage the power of the diff command to compare the backed up directory with the current one. Simply navigate to the most recent backup in your time machine, locate the application support folder, and drag it in a terminal to get the path. Then, run a diff command to compare the contents. The resulting output will highlight the names of the folders you thought were lost forever. It's a clever way to uncover what you thought was gone for good. To sum it up, tackling the problem of losing track of the folders you deleted is easier than you think. By using the diff command to compare backup directories, you can unveil the names of those elusive folders. So next time you're in a similar situation, remember this handy trick to save the day. And with that, happy exploring your backups, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Who knew cleaning up could be this fun, right? See you next time!